Craving golden fries, roasted veggies, or tender wings without the guilt or kitchen chaos? This Dash Tasti-Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven 2.6 quart is here to revolutionize your cooking game. This sleek, black mini air fryer combines cutting-edge AirCrisp technology with a compact design, delivering healthier meals in minutes. Perfect for small spaces and busy lifestyles, it's a must-have for anyone who wants crispy, delicious food without the oil overload. In this Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer review, I'll break down why this 1,000-watt wonder deserves a spot in your kitchen in 2025. What makes the Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer special? Air fryers are everywhere, but the Dash Tasti-Crisp stands out with its blend of style, simplicity, and health-focused features. Designed for small households, dorm dwellers, or RV campers, this 2.6 quart air fryer packs a punch without hogging counter space. Whether you're a busy student or a health-conscious foodie, it promises crispy results with 70 to 80% less fat. Here's why it's stealing the spotlight. Compact yet mighty. Its mini size fits any kitchen, dorm, or RV, yet the 2.6 quart basket handles meals for 1 to 2 with ease. Healthier cooking, AirCrisp technology slashes fat by 70 to 80%, letting you enjoy fried favorites guilt-free. Digital precision. 3 preset buttons and a digital interface make cooking foolproof, with customizable time and temperature settings. Safety and convenience. Auto shut-off and a cool touch handle ensure worry-free use. Effortless cleanup. The PTFE nonstick basket is a breeze to clean, saving you time post-meal. This air fryer isn't just an appliance, it's your shortcut to quick, healthy, and crave-worthy meals. Solving everyday cooking challenges. Cooking in a small space or on a tight schedule can feel like a battle. The Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer swoops in to save the day. Goodbye. Oil splatter. Traditional frying is messy and fatty. This air fryer uses hot air to crisp food, cutting fat by up to 80% and leaving your kitchen spotless. Time saver. Supreme. From frozen wings to roasted veggies, it cooks in minutes, perfect for late-night study sessions or quick dinners. Small space savior. Bulky appliances are a no-go in tiny kitchens. This compact air fryer fits anywhere, from dorm desks to RV counters. Healthy eating. Simplified. Craving fried food but watching your diet? This air fryer delivers crispy results without the calorie bomb. Standout features that impress. The Dash Tasti-Crisp Air Fryer is packed with features that make cooking a joy. Here's what makes it shine. AirCrisp technology. Hot air circulation cooks food evenly, ensuring crispy exteriors and tender interiors without oil. 2.6 quart capacity, ideal for 1 to 2 servings, with a redesigned crisper basket for maximum surface area and perfect results. Digital interface with presets. 3 customizable preset buttons let you save favorite settings, while the digital controls adjust from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 60 minutes. Auto shutoff and cool touch handle. Prevents overcooking and keeps handling safe, even mid-cook. Sleek black design. Its modern look elevates any kitchen, blending style with function. Easy clean non-stick basket. The PTFE coated basket wipes clean or pops in the dishwasher for hassle-free maintenance. Benefits that seal the deal. Why pick the Dash Tasti-Crisp over other air fryers? These benefits make it a no-brainer. Guilt-free indulgence. Enjoy fried foods with 70 to 80% less fat, keeping your health goals on track. Perfect for small spaces. Its compact size and 1,000-watt power make it ideal for dorms, apartments, or RVs without sacrificing performance. Fast and foolproof. Presets and digital controls mean crispy meals in minutes, even for cooking newbies. I was blown away by how it handled a small batch of cinnamon sugar donuts, crisp outside, fluffy inside, and ready in under 10 minutes. It's like having a personal chef. Who's it for? The Dash Tasti-Crisp 2.6 quart air fryer is perfect for singles and couples. The 2.6 quart capacity is just right for small meals or snacks for 1 to 2 people. Dorm and apartment dwellers. Its compact size fits tiny spaces without cluttering counters. Health-conscious cooks. If you love crispy foods but want to cut fat, this air fryer is your new best friend. Busy students and professionals. Quick presets and easy cleanup make it ideal for tight schedules. Why you need this air fryer. Now. The Dash Tasti-Crisp 2.6 quart air fryer is more than a kitchen gadget. It's your ticket to healthier, faster, and tastier meals without the hassle. With its compact design, digital presets, and AirCrisp technology, it's perfect for small spaces and busy lives. Backed by safety features and easy cleanup, it's a steal for anyone craving crispy food with less fat. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.